Hi, this is Matt Coddington with MyMobileville, and I want to show you another tip for Evernote. This one is actually an extension for the Chrome browser that is called Evernote Web Clipper. So you can see it here. I've got the Chrome store open on my browser, and so it's just got a little bit of detail about the Evernote Web Clipper, and then you add that extension to your browser, and you'll see up here in the corner, get my mouse over here, it is this button that ends up being in the browser, Clip to Evernote. So having this extension on here allows you to be able to grab part or entire part of a page and save it to Evernote easily. So here is a recipe that I found on Google+. Someone had linked to it, and I said, wow, this recipe looks tasty. I'm going to save it in my recipes and food ideas folder that I've got in Evernote. So obviously I could just take and highlight and copy and paste and create a new note in Evernote, but the convenience of having the clipper is I'll go on up and I hit the button, and you can see that the rest of the page grayed out, and then it's got highlighted the part that's the recipe. And then up here in this window, then it gives me a chance to save into what folder, and I already had it selected there, so recipes and food ideas. And then you could add tags if you want and put any comments. And now, of course, it says save article. Now, if I hit this little arrow, I could save the selection or save the full page or save the URL. So I'm just going to keep it as save article. It says it's clipping it, and boom, now it's done. It also happens to find this clipper pulls up and says related notes, other ones that are in my recipes and food ideas. So it found a puerco pibil recipe and how to bake crab legs recipe. So it just shows you similar notes, which is a nice another feature of the Evernote Web Clipper. You can also see that it says that you can view or edit the thing you just clipped as well, so that if you did want to edit it further, and it's already been saved, but now you could edit it and it's already in Evernote. But I'm going to go over here to my Evernote app now and show you, and I've got to synchronize so that we'll get the latest and greatest. And there you see it just added it to my recipes and food ideas, and there is the bacon stuffed pork chops recipe. Saved into my Evernote, that easy. Now I'll show you one other thing that you could be on a page and maybe you just wanted to save a small section of it. And so if I just highlighted a portion of the text here, and if I right click, you'll see one of my choices is Evernote Web Clipper, and then it says clip the selection, clip the URL, or a new note. Now the thing is when you use that from the right click context menu, you don't get a choice of which folder it's going to go into. So actually using the extension button up at the top is the easiest way to be able, if you want to specify. Otherwise it's just going to get dumped into your Evernote, and you could organize it later and put it into what folder that you wanted to. But the Evernote Web Clipper is a valuable part of using Evernote when you're on websites. This is Matt Coddington with MyMobileville. Have a good day.